Good day, class! Welcome to another lesson in science. Let's proceed to our new lesson. Observe these pictures. In connection with our last lesson, what is heat doing in the following? Very good! These are showing the different uses of heat, which will be today's lesson.
Our lesson is about uses of heat.
Let's start with the main source of heat, which is sun. First, it is used in water cycle. And water cycle describes how water evaporates from the surface of the earth, rises into the atmosphere, cools and condenses into rain or snow in clouds, and falls again to the surface as precipitation. Second, it is used to affect weather and climate. Remember that weather is the condition of the atmosphere from day to day, while climate is the long-term average of weather. Third, it is used to warm the bodies of people and animals. And lastly, it is used by growing plants. Remember that without the sun's heat, plants will die. Now let's summarize the uses of the sun's heat. First, it is used in water cycle to affect weather and climate, to warm the bodies of people and animals, and used by growing plants. Remember that sun's heat is considered as natural source of heat. Now, let's proceed to the uses of artificial sources of heat. First, it is used to make the engines run, like for petroleum, gasoline, and diesel. Second, what is the use of heat here? Very good. It is used to cook, like liquefied petroleum gas, also known as LPG, which we usually have at home. Third, correct. It is also used to preserve food. Fourth, what do you see? Yes, it is used to dry things like our hair and clothes. And lastly, what do you see in the picture? Correct. It is used to change the state of matter from one phase to another. If you remember, during the first quarter, we have discussed that because of temperature, matter can undergo physical changes. So to summarize, artificial heat is used to make engines run, cook, preserve food, dry things, and to change the state of matter from one phase to another.
To summarize, heat is very important, starting with the sun's heat because it is used in water cycle, affects weather and climate, warm the bodies of people and animals, and it is important for growing plants. While the artificial heat is important because it make engines run, used to cook, to preserve food, to dry things, and to change the state of matter.